Welcome to Casual Tech. Today we are going to see the process of installing and running an iPad as a secondary display. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. So let's start. This is the website and the software is Splashtop. Yes, you have to install this application in both laptop and iPad in this case. First, install the setup. For installing the setup, we have to download this. I am using a PC, so I will download this file. As you download this file, open it. Click yes. Wait for it to install. Installation has been completed. So first check the setting according to your requirements. I'll choose to normal. Quality as normal. And then let's switch to the iPad and install the application there as well. So guys, now we have switched to iPad, and for installing this application, go to App Store and search Splashtop. Scroll down and you see this Splashtop Wired X Display HD. Install it. Wait for it to install and then open this application. Click OK and connect your wire with the laptop and the iPad. As you guys can see, now I have my laptop screen on my iPad. You can switch the settings from here to low frame rate and to high quality. Now these both you have to set it as before plugging in the device. Now let's switch back to the laptop. For more videos like this, subscribe to Casual Tech. Do share this video and like as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Peace.